world is united by football, and today we're celebrating the beautiful game with one of Sweden's most famous comfort foods, Swedish Köttbullar. Here is our breadcrumbs soaked in milk. Let's add the ground beef. Eggs. In goes the allspices. Now we gently mix everything together until perfectly combined. One by one, each meatball is shaped into the perfect bite-sized masterpiece. Let's chop some onions. Butter in our hot pans for the meatballs. Into the melted butter they go. As they cook, they develop a beautiful golden brown crust. In goes the onions. A splash of Worcestershire sauce. Followed by heavy cream. A pinch of black pepper and other spices. The meatballs return to the pan, gently simmering in the creamy gravy until every bite is coated in pure deliciousness. Now our macaroni complement. A generous scoop of macaroni creates the perfect foundation. The tender Swedish meatballs are carefully placed on top. From Sweden's rich culinary traditions to the excitement of the world's biggest football tournament, this meal is a celebration of flavor, friendship, and unforgettable moments. this recipe made you hungry, give it a like, share it with your fellow football fans, and subscribe for more authentic recipes inspired by nations from around the world.